Hey guys, so let's turn into an e-girl. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nyx Noel here and I'm back with another video, and yeah, we're gonna try this e-girl makeup. Yeah, I've always wanted to try their makeup style because it's very interesting, you know. If you guys don't know what e-girl means, based off of Google, what I found from Google is e-girl and e-boy are slang terms for young women and men respectively who are active internet users, often stereotyped as emo style anime and gaming fans trying to get attention on social media. Don't get me wrong here, I love gaming, I love games, but then I am not an e-girl. But then I want to try this makeup trend that's been circling the internet. So, no, I'm not turning into one. Nope. So, yeah, so another meaning for e-girl, the e in e-girl and e-boy is actually electronic or emotional. So help me out here. I honestly don't really know what an e-girl or e-boy is, but then based off of Google, that's the meaning. So if you guys have other meanings or really what you think what e-girl and e-boy means, just comment down below what you think they are. So don't judge, just got the description from the internet. Just want to clear my name. Yeah. Okay, so let's try this out. So these are what the e-girl makeup looks, so check that out. Yeah, that's what they look like, and we're gonna try to do that, you know, give it our own twist to it. You know, this is the exploration station and we gotta give it our own, you know, spice into that pot of soup. What? Anywho, so got ourselves some foundation. I'm gonna use the 24-hour matte cover infallible infallible 24-hour cover foundation. It's in the color 108. It's caramel beige. And of course, I've got my Morphe palette. I'm gonna get our colors here, and my Makeup Forever sculpting palette. And then for my lips, I'm going to use this Happy Skin Glam Squad liquid matte lipstick and the Maybelline mascara Total Temptation waterproof. And then I've got my brushes here. Of course, don't forget the ever famous eyeliner. That's very important in an e-girl makeup. So without this, you're screwed. Not really. You can use eyeshadow for your eyeliner, but then this is the bomb. I mean, I use this every day. And yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do. So we can give it our own twist. We don't have to really copy what these e-girl makeup looks like. We can just get inspo, like what I just said in my before videos. Just get inspo from these makeup styles and then, you know, turn it into our own. So this is the exploration station. We gotta explore our creativity. Okay, let's get it started now. So let's go with concealer. Oh, and if you're new, of course, you gotta subscribe to this channel. Click that bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because why not? Okay. So we have to have flawless skin. Apparently that's part of the makeup style of an e-girl. I don't have flawless skin. This is why we gotta conceal. Okay, then we conceal the eyes. Okay, now that the concealing is done, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna be using a foundation because I think this is enough. Because honestly, foundations really ruin my skin. So I think the concealer is fine.
Who has perfect skin?
Let's do our brows. What I like to do with the brows, again, I told you in my other video, I like to start in just the middle, leave this part looking natural, and we'll just work our way to the tail. The brows are okay. So what I want to try is to use lipstick as a blush and then just blend it in. And I think what they do is they put more blush on the nose. I don't know, like a tomato nose. But then, so I'm gonna try that. Don't judge me, but this is just how I feel. It's like someone left a trail of blood all over my face. does not look bad. Does not look bad. Am I trying to get attention here? It does not look bad at all. I'm kind of loving it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it like that for a moment. And then we can do the eyes. Let's do the eyes, my friends. I've seen a lot of videos, these e-girl makeup, and they mostly use like a pink eyeshadow. Yeah, either pink or blue or something very peachy on their eyes. So I'm gonna do with a magenta colored that's pretty much close to pink. So I'm gonna use that color. I know I've used a lot of this magenta color in my videos, but the color is really nice. It's really nice. Let's pack it on the eyelids. What I did also, I added a little bit of orange to the like edge up here to give it a nice contrast. Apparently looks like very sunset-y. So I haven't seen a lot of them do a white bottom line, so I'm gonna try that. I know I used this for the catfish makeup and I kind of liked it, so I'm gonna use this one and just line the bottom. Alright, what we can do now, we go for a shiny middle on the eyelid. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm also gonna use this for highlight, but I wanna use this too because it just pops out really nice. And then we go for a wing liner. Yes, it's getting together. Yes, okay, so we do the mascara. Okay, now that I've put the mascara, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some fake bottom lashes, like what I did also in my catfish video. Let's do that with a black eyeshadow and this angled tip brush. So, I'm actually loving it, guys, like honestly. Okay, so let's put some highlight. Again, we're gonna be using Gino, the one I use in the middle of my eye, the shiny one. I'm gonna use that for my highlight. So then again, it pops out really nice. They like to overly highlight their nose to go up to the bridge and then down here. They like to overly highlight the button of their nose. Like, legitly. Okay, so that's highlighted. We go with the lipstick. Okay, now that I put the lipstick on, let's do the finishing touches to this e-girl makeup, and that is a like design. Whatever you can do, heart, stars, or a cross. Maybe I'll do like one heart and one cross. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I think for me it's a good idea. I'm just gonna try it out. This is the exploration station. You try out things and see how it goes and not regret it. Boom. Okay, so I honestly don't know how to draw a heart on my face, but then I'll just do a cross here on the bottom, maybe, yeah. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm like really happy about that because that is legitly a straight line. God dang. Now, the hard part. The heart. That's pretty cute. Okay. Let's get it on. Let's get the shading. Color it in, Nikki. Color it in. Okay, that's pretty cute. I'm gonna stick with that. Yep. There it is. There it is. We've got it, guys. We've got this e-girl makeup down. So, okay. That's legitly something. I'm actually loving this. Okay. Let's just like put a connecting dot to the heart and then another connect down there. Yes. And then maybe a few like circles up here. And then another two over here. We're going full out here, guys. Go full out with me. Okay. Yep. We've got it, guys. It's here. It's here. Yay! I'm so happy with this. Honestly, guys. You can tell how legitly happy I am with this. Maybe a few more extra highlight on the nose, there, on the cheeks.
We got it, guys. We got the makeup. We got the makeup.
We've got it. So I've been requested to do like gothic makeup. Yes, someone requested gothic makeup over at Facebook. So in my next video, I'm gonna be doing a gothic makeup, probably glam it up a bit. Yeah, so it's like gothic glam. If you guys are interested in that, wait for it. And yes, if you guys are up for that gothic glam makeup, collect that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. So that's a look, guys. Fresh. And I guess the outfit matches that. Yeah, I guess you can see that. We've got the makeup look down. That is an e-girl makeup look there. I actually love this. I'm loving it. Even the earrings are across too. You can see that, guys. By the way, the earrings are from Pull & Bear. Just a note on that. If you guys are interested, Pull & Bear, these cross earrings. Yeah, those are Pull & Bear. Yep, guys, we got our e-girl makeup look down. And on that note, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Again, click that bell. Follow me on Instagram because why not? And I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget, this is the exploration station. We explore together. That makes sense. Bye!